In Capital Electra X, you can further personalize your commands and actions by adding custom menus to each of your symbols. Custom menu is the context menu that appears when you right-click on a shape. It can be added to shapes or symbols. To view the custom menu dialog, click on Menu View and select Show Properties. Next, click on Menu View again and select Show Developer Mode. When you select a shape, its custom menu will be shown in the Properties dialog. To view all the menus, select the three dots icon. Drag and position any menu to rearrange it. To define a custom menu, you need to understand its 4 inputs. The title input is where you can provide a name for your menu item. You may add an underscore to the front of your title to have a line separator after your menu. Action refers to the command to be executed when a menu is selected. Disable indicates whether a menu item is disabled in the context menu. Set the value to true to disable the item or false to enable it. Finally, selected determines whether a menu item is pre-selected in the context menu. You may edit the menus by selecting the formula icon located on the right side of each menu. Once you're done, click Save. Start your free 30-day trial now.